Rufous Woodpecker, scientific name Micropternus brachyurus, Bangla naam Khoiri Kathokra. The Rufous Woodpecker is a medium-sized brown woodpecker native to South and Southeast Asia. Odd medium-sized brownish woodpecker with a short dark bill. Overall coloration and wing markings vary considerably across a wide range. There is a short crest and dark bars and vermiculations on rufous body. The males have reddish patch near the eye. Food habits: it eats ants and their brood, termites, vegetables, fruits, nectar, and sap. It stays in pairs, sometimes with mixed species flocks. It forages at all levels, including high canopy of tall forest and occasionally on grass. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.